brain is more than a supercomputer. It has got over 100 billion brain cells. Wherever we have attention, we tend to register it in our mind and it stays as memory. Everyone of every age can improve memory. The mind which keeps on wandering here and there comes to the fore and cooperates. Unless we do the mind programming, we cannot achieve anything in life. These are the techniques which will sharpen your brain. Then your brain is ready to absorb anything that you want to absorb in your studies. You have to visualize for the future before you do any work. Don't shy away from demonstrating it. It has got a purpose. Your subconscious mind should be attuned to just absorb that method and then perform. Everybody rates you not based on your brilliance. What is student? One who works studiously is student. Student days is not the days to jolly well loiter around and then waste time. So why should your goal achievement to be related to others' performance? That is foolishness. Never ever do it. There is a wonder tree within you. You know what is that? That is your subconscious mind, inner mind. One may have everything, but he is not a good personality. What is the use? It's like a garden without flowers or a flower without fragrance. So when they go late to bed, lots of problems come. Health gets affected. Psychologically, they are not in the safe domain. It aggravates the problem further. So this is what is the right way to handle that situation. Believe me, teenage friendships are not true friendships. Mostly they are time pass associates. When you role model, they will take it up with more acceptance. If your child is an introvert, should not take to management courses, should not go to law. If you think that there is Almighty, omnipresent, omnipotent, is there to protect you, how confident you feel? Most often, we forget the difference between needs and wants. For example, the child brings progress report and there is fail marks in one subject. Reaction. What you got today, that is student study monitor. It is a result of intensive, exclusive research.
Every moment, I excel, making my life enchanting, blissful, and purposeful.
It is this country which started world's first ever university in the whole world. Several thousands of foreigners have come to learn in India.